Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Charles Schwab. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Charles Schwab is an American multinational financial services company that offers a wide variety of financial services, including private and commercial banking, investment, wealth management, and advisory services to both retail and institutional clients. This company was founded in 1971, and more than 33 million accounts have been opened since then. Charles Schwab offers accounts for all types of traders, investors, and clients, from retirement accounts, estate trusts and annuities, to trading accounts, savings accounts, and loans. There are also a variety of investment products and trading instruments, and the possibilities are endless when you choose to trade with Charles Schwab, because you can diversify your portfolio with a wide range of international stocks, futures, options, and thousands of ETFs. And they also offer money market funds, mutual funds, insurances, bonds, and fixed income products. It may seem like Charles Schwab is for experienced investors who know exactly what they want to do with their money. However, if you've never traded and you are looking for a reliable broker, then Charles Schwab is an excellent option, because premium quality educational resources are provided, and you can request assistance from professional advisors if you ever need help. Charles Schwab is one of the most versatile brokers and financial service providers in the industry. But in this video, we will be focusing on their brokerage and trading accounts, as well as their services. Charles Schwab offers a user-friendly website, and all their products and services are neatly categorized into different sections on the website that can easily be accessed by using the menu bar. The homepage highlights all their key features and special offers, and if you scroll all the way down, you will find links to company information and lists of all the products and services they offer. To find out more about the instruments you can trade with Charles Schwab, hover your cursor over the Accounts and Products tab and select an instrument from the Investment Products section of the drop-down menu that appears. It appears that you cannot trade foreign exchange using direct market access, like with most other brokers in the market. However, you can trade on currency futures and use Charles Schwab as a futures trading platform. There is currently no welcome bonus available, but you can earn rewards through their referral program if your friends and family join through you. You will have the opportunity to earn up to $1,000. Instead of offering mainstream platforms such as CTrader or MetaTrader, Charles Schwab has taken the initiative to develop their own trading platforms. There are currently 3 trading platforms available that differ in the tradable products and the devices the platforms are offered on. The web-based trading platform is great, but not exactly customizable, and there is a mobile and desktop platform as well. Schwab.com is the only available desktop-based trading platform, and is mainly for investors looking for easy execution. Street Smart Edge is mainly for futures traders looking for sophisticated research, and their mobile trading application is available on both iOS and Android operating systems. There are plenty of accounts to choose from, and if you are interested in charitable giving, retirement accounts, loans, or any of their other services, then we would recommend visiting the official website to see for yourself what they offer. When it comes to stocks, options, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, and other financial products, you can apply for a brokerage account that can be used with the Schwab mobile application. This application comes with a variety of tools that will help you develop a trading plan and to assist you with choosing the right instruments for your portfolio. When you open a Charles Schwab account, you can add the Schwab Trading Services brokerage account feature at no additional cost and get access to the Charles Schwab proprietary trading platforms. high-quality educational resources, and a dedicated trading specialist to assist you along the way. No minimum deposit is required to open a trading account with Charles Schwab, and there are also no maintenance fees once you have an account with them. You have the option of trading with no commission fees when you trade stocks and ETFs, but small commission fees are charged on options and futures. Using your Charles Schwab account, you will be able to trade more than 2,000 international ETFs, sector ETFs, dividend ETFs, and market cap index ETFs. You can also add bond ETFs, commodity ETFs, and currency ETFs to your portfolio, and if you are new to trading or you have a busy lifestyle, you can use their managed portfolio services. Creating an account with Charles Schwab is a simple and straightforward process. You can open an account with Charles Schwab in just 10 minutes, and it only takes a few simple steps. Firstly, launch the Charles Schwab homepage, and then click on the Open an Account button. The next step would be to choose your preferred account type. After you have chosen your preferred account type, you will need to complete the online application form and then verify your account and email address. And once your account has been verified and approved, you can simply log in and start trading. Unfortunately, we are unable to open an account with Charles Schwab due to our location and will not be able to show you the features of their platforms. If you are new to trading and are looking for educational resources, research data and market reports, then you can hover the cursor over the Insights tab, which displays links to the Charles Schwab Knowledge Center, which includes insights, trading ideas, media, articles, and investment guides. The Knowledge Center covers a variety of topics, including retirement planning and the basics of savings accounts, estate planning, tax planning, and much more. There is also a rich variety of guides on trading different instruments, managing your portfolio and personal finances, trading ETFs, and general trading guides to help you learn the basics. You can also visit their official YouTube channel to find a variety of market outlooks and educational content that you can watch in video format at any time. You can learn more than just trading when you open an account with Charles Schwab, and we highly recommend using their educational content to practice on if you are a beginner. Charles Schwab has been around for many decades, and they have established a reputable presence in the trading industry, and as a result, have been awarded a variety of awards for their services. Some of their most recent awards include the IDB Best Online Brokers Award by Investor Business Daily in 2022, Investors Business Daily Most Trusted Financial Companies of 2021, the Best Broker for IRA Investing and Best Robo-Advisor by NerdWallet in 2021, and many, many more. Overall, Charles Schwab is one of the most popular online brokers and financial service providers in the world. They have been around since the 1970s, and since then, over 33 million investors, bankers, and traders have opened accounts with them. There are many reasons to trade with Charles Schwab, but what we like most about them is that no minimum deposit is required to open an account, and when you open an account with them, you will gain access to exclusive Charles Schwab features and content. Charles Schwab is your all-in-one broker for anything you could possibly need when it comes to finances, and we highly recommend opening an account with them, whether you're saving for your retirement, donating money to charities, or simply trading the markets online. If you are interested, be sure to open your account today and bring a friend along with you to claim your referral bonus. And that is our overview of Charles Schwab. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, And as always, good luck with your trading activities.